Hi! Today with Yeva we will talk about sustainable entrepreneurship. So Yeva, can you tell us a little bit more?
While we're speaking about entrepreneurship, this is always the way how somebody help us to solve our problems. So we need something, entrepreneurs see that, they find new ways how to help us, so produce the products, services. If they would like to be sustainable, in this moment they need to think not just about how to be profitable, but how to be also social responsible, how to protect environment. So in case of sustainable entrepreneurship, it's important to keep in balance the economical aspect of doing business, social aspect of doing business, and also environmental aspect of doing business. So there always must be long-term goals, and entrepreneurs think how to manage the risks of doing business and keep company alive in long term. But all the time they will think about the employees, about society, about environment, how to use less materials, how to do not produce a lot of waste, how to doing the business in sustainable way.
Absolutely.
This is really important, and always the social aspect need to keep in mind.
Yes. And what is circular economy?
Once we speak about the circular economy, everything could be the new material for something new. Actually, we could take as a motto: buy less often, use longer, share with others, recycle. So we produce something, there is a waste. We use the waste for producing the new materials for something else. So this is the essence of cyclical economy. We have a cycle. So we try to use less materials, we try to produce the different kind of products. If there is some kind of waste, we recycle it, have new materials for new products. We share with the products, we share maybe with equipment, sometimes maybe we share also with our employees. And this process became more circular. This is the main important moment. And sustainable entrepreneurship actually is a part of such economy.
Thank you for the explanation. Maybe you can also give us some examples. Where can we see circular economy in real life?
As example, zero waste shops could be example of circular economy. In agriculture, we could find also the examples of circular economy.
That's true.
Grow up something we use for food, something we also use for the food for animals. Then we use some waste materials to produce heat. In agriculture there could be a lot of possibilities to realize circular economy. Also some companies that work in chemistry produce different kind of liquids, also try to be circular. So think about how you use materials, think about how you recycle materials. Think about your formula, think about the renewable energy. This is the way how the companies in circular economy work.
Perfect. Thank you very much, Yeva.